In today's video, I'm going to go over and show you how I color grade my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 footage. Now, I never anticipated that the Osmo Pocket 3 was going to be my most used camera for YouTube videos. The fact that it shoots 4K, has a 1-inch sensor, has 10-bit D-Log-M footage on there, it's really fantastic. You get a lot for your money. And once Cinematch came out with their plugin, updated it, and now they have the Osmo Pocket 3, they have the Osmo Action 4, I can get really great images really quick and easy out of this camera. Let's head over to me on the bike, where I've been doing a lot of vlogging lately, and I'll walk you through how I color grade this footage.
So here we are in D-Log-M straight out of the camera. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to apply the Cinematch plugin in Davinci, and then I'm going to match it to the Blackmagic Pocket 4K, because that is the camera that I use a lot as far as LUTs. I use that for most of my cameras, and so we're going to choose the Pocket 3 option, D-Log-M, match it to the Pocket 4K in Generation 4 log, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add a new node. And we are going to then choose the LUT that I normally use. Now again, this LUT, it's made for the Pocket 4K, it's not made for the Osmo. But the really cool part about Cinematch is that you can match your camera to any other camera within their database. So it's a little bit different than, just using some of the other color space transforms within Davinci, because they don't have all the color sciences. Like, you could do GoPros, DJI products, Lumix cameras, Canon cameras, Sony cameras, Nikon cameras. They're really just all over the place for Cinematch. So it's a really good place where if you're just trying to use a bunch of different cameras, they don't quite match exactly, but they definitely match close enough to where if you're doing multicam, you're using all these cameras in a multi-camera setup, you can get them really close.
Once you do the transform in Cinematch, change it to whatever camera you're using. For instance, in my situation, I'm using the Blackmagic Pocket 4K in Generation 4. You put your LUT on, and it's pretty simple. You just make your minor adjustments from there. If you don't want to match it to any camera, you can just change it to Rec 709. Cinematch does a lot for cameras, and it's funny because they didn't even sponsor this video. They sent me out the Davinci version of the plugin years ago. I think it was like 3-4 years ago. Then I ended up buying the bundle because I use it so much, and I use all three editors. I use Davinci, Premiere, Final Cut. It's for all three, so you don't have to just be in Davinci to be able to use Cinematch. You can use any of the big three editors. I just happen to use Davinci the most, so that's what I used in this tutorial. If you have any questions, anything I didn't go over in today's video, make sure to ask in the comments below. And if you got knowledge and value out of today's video, please make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell to keep up to date with the latest videos from the channel. Till next time, my name is Jeff Fagan. Thank you for watching as always, and I will catch you in the next video.